Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customz YouTube channel. So today we've got an Audi A3. So as we can see here, the LED chips are out on the left side. That's why it's in this color, and the right side is actually working. So this is how it should be, and this is how it is at the moment. This is caused by a LED chip at the back which gets burnt out, and then it stops diffusing light through. So what we're going to be doing today is changing the actual LED chip behind the headlight and polishing up the tube so that the light goes straight through the tube, and then it reflects what's at the end right through like it does on the other side right there. So what are we waiting for? Let's get straight into it. This is the first time we're actually doing this on an Audi A3, and this is a common issue on Audi A3s. So if this is done on your car, or if you have this issue on your car, do reach out to us on Alpha Customz and we can get this sorted out for you. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Andrew, and on this channel we do things like this on our customers' cars, things that we do on our project car, which is a F33 and a 7 Series E38, which we haven't posted videos on recently since the car is off-road, but soon we'll be back during summer with videos on the 7 Series. So what are we waiting for? If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, and let's get crack-a-lacking. This is the part that we're going to be replacing. There's 3 LED chips right there. That's what's used to light up this whole strip. So once these strip lights are out, or these LEDs are out, then it will stop working. So on this car, this should be burnt right now. So once we replace this, put this one and polish the burnt areas, then it should hopefully work. So what we want to start off with is opening up the bonnet latch, and then we want to start removing the bumper a bit on this side so we get access to that light. So the way we're going to do that is remove these T30 bolts over here, and then these T30 bolts here, they all hold the headlight, so we need to remove them later. But then there are some bolts here, I believe they're T20 and T30s that we want to remove. They might be T30s, and then once we remove them, the bumper should give way to this actual headlight. So that's what we're going to be doing, and then we should be able to get access to this headlight. So as you can see, we're removing 3 T30 bolts which hold the top bit of the bumper down, and once that's removed, we get access to the top bit of the bumper. On this video we're only working on one headlight, so we're not going to be removing each and every single bolt, but we are going to be removing the 3 bolts which hold the entire bumper to the car on the top. So the 3 T30 bolts are removed, and then you can see there's a plastic trim which is attached to the actual bumper. This needs to be removed from the engine bay, and this is done by just gently pulling on the bumper once all the screws have been disconnected. So once the top bit of the bumper has been removed, we're going to remove these 3 T20 bolts which are on the wheel lining or the wheel arch. So we're going to start off by turning the wheel, and then we're going to start removing these 3 T20 bolts, and then once we remove these 3 T20 bolts, we'll get access to another 2 T30 bolts. This is where our extension comes in handy, because one of the bolts, they are quite deep in, so we need an extension in order to access that bolt. Once you remove that bolt, which is in here holding it up, then you can just pull on the bumper, and it's just held in with these clips below. So then you pull it out, and then it comes out. So this is enough space for the headlight to come out. So we're just going to remove the headlight now, and then get to work. After removing these bolts here and these ones here, there is one which is hidden right inside there. So you want to get an extension tool and then just get into that, and it's a T30 bolt which looks like this, and We want to remove that. Okay, these are another T20 bolt. So as we can see, it's been burnt here, hence why it's not working. So here is the difference. You can see this one is burnt. This is the new one that we're going to replace. So you can see there's a big difference. So as you can see, it now works. So we've done the job. This one's done. However, this bulb is an aftermarket one that this customer actually supplied. So sometimes the actual temperature of the light might not be exact as the other one, but it is showing white, as for before it was in an amber color. So now that we know it's working, we can put everything back vice versa. So we've put in this headlight with the 3 bolts here, and then the bolt underneath, and then now we're going to put this bumper back on, start bolting it down there, and then putting that last bolt on, and we should be ready to go. This brings us to the end of the video. As you can see, both sides are now white. However, this side is a little bit dimmer. That is because the lights that were supplied by the customer is a aftermarket light instead of a actual Audi light. So it's a little bit dimmer. However, it's white, and I believe in the future, once this one goes out, he's got the exact same bulb as this to match there, so it will match each other. However, the main thing is done, which was changing it from yellow or amber to white, and that's done. And many people don't seem to do this job, and now I know why, as it is quite a long job to get done, but we've managed to do it. So if you did want to get this done on your car, or you have this problem, do drop us a message and we can get this done on your car. It's mainly an Audi issue. I don't come across other cars which have this issue as much, but it's mainly Audis. So if your Audi had this problem, let us know and we can get that sorted for you. Do subscribe to our channel if you do like content like this. And what else is there to say? The car has officially been alphamized. So till next time, peace.